Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know today that we must take time out and have fun with our family and close friends. We must do it for ourselves. It will bring us happiness. We have let go of harping on things of the past and we are healing from that now. You must never ever doubt your self worth, and you deserve every opportunity and windfall that comes your way. There's excitement in your soul. You're going to get a victory letter which is going to make you want to celebrate in your life. Everything you've been through in your life is to prepare you for this time. A lot of things have come to an end to make way for the new beginnings, and you just waiting patiently. That's good. You've let go of a lot of the demons that you don't want part of your life anymore, and there has been family sorrow, but one thing that you can always count on, says the unicorn spirit, is that your mother and father will love you as much as they can, always. There has been financial pinches, but the spirit says everything comes to an end. It's inevitable, and doors are opening up for you. Expect the unexpected and be ready. Um, there is going to be a period of prosperity and abundance coming your way. A powerful spell will bring you what you desire. Um, there is a notice of some sort coming your way, and when it comes, you obviously have to take action immediately, but stay focused. It's something you don't expect to come in your life, and it's going to bring improvements. Stay open to all opportunities and possibilities. There is going to be a period of loyalty and love and peace in your relationships, and this is going to help you move forward with that positive energy for the future. Your loved ones tell you that you are a spiritual teacher. Share your wisdom with others. You are born to heal and to teach. Love you very much.